Okay, so Shreyasi, let's proceed ahead with your HR for NIC, National Informatics Center. Very brief introduction from your side, Shreyasi.
Yes, sir. My full name is Sreshi Karak, and I have completed my B.Tech in Information Technology from Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology with a CGPA of 8.37 in the year 2020. I completed my class 12 and my class 10 both from the CBSE board. Class 12 I did in 2016 with 94% of marks. And after I complete my B.Tech, I started working in Capgemini, and I have been working for 1 year now, and I have been working as a developer in the organization.
Okay, so Shreyasi, what motivated you for NIC?
Sir, NIC had been my dream organization from a long time. Actually, I came to know about this organization back in 2015 in my school days. That time, the Digital India initiative that came up. So from that time, I was interested in this organization. After that, during my form fill-up for JEE mains, joint examination, I always used to find the name of NIC associated with the form. So that took me interest into this organization, but I was not very sure about how the recruitment and all takes place. So later on in my college days, I was inclined towards government job or a PSU job after my graduation. So that time I came to know that NIC recruits B.Tech of IT and CS branches. So that made me motivated for this kind of job. And later on, I also came to know about the research and development oriented job, challenging work culture, and the job that is done is for the people of the country. So that made me more interested for this job.
Okay, now Shreyasi, tell me one thing. What do you understand by e-governance?
Okay, e-governance means that the government is connected digitally, and all the tiers of the government, like the central government, state government, and the district level governments, are all connected with the help of internet. There should be proper communication between these levels of the government, and people should be able to take the advantage or the facilities of the government digitally.
So do you mean only government bodies are connected through this, or customer also?
Customers also.
Any portal can you tell me where you take benefit of government services?
Yes. E-Paribahan we have for the transport facilities, for the license, making the driving licenses. Then there is e-court facilities, e-library, then national knowledge network is also there for various education purpose, e-education, all these things are there.
Okay, tell me, do you know something about Digital India initiative?
Yes. Digital India initiative that came in 2015 in the month of June. And that time Prime Minister was Narendra Modi. So this initiative was mainly to connect all the tiers of the government digitally and to facilitate other schemes of the government that should be available to the people of the country digitally. So under this scheme only, later on Make in India and Startup India initiatives also started under this big initiative of Digital India.
Okay, so can you tell me, Shreya, what is the blockchain technology and what is the advantage of this in elections? How can we make elections free and fair using blockchain technology?
Okay. Blockchain technology, actually here we are considering the database which are not very organized data. So how to store that unstructured data is with the help of blockchain. So with the help of blockchain for election.
What is blockchain technology, if you can tell me that?
Yes, in the blockchain technology, the data is stored in block-wise manner, which are connected to each other in a like chain-like fashion with the help of pointers. So this is mainly used for unstructured data, which cannot be stored in proper DBMS table. So that can be taken together and stored in with the help of blockchain.
Okay. So, Shreya, tell me something about data analytics and its advantage for e-governance.
Okay. Sir, data analytics mainly deals with the large amount of data, especially when there is a big, we are dealing with very big data of the country.
Okay.
So, like in e-governance, there is data from various, like coming from big sources. If we consider the Aadhaar, then we see that the eye cornea information, I think, and the fingerprint information, all this along with the other details of the people has to be stored and maintained. So, data analytics mainly deals with this large amount of data.
Okay. Do you know something about e-Meghdut?
So, sorry?
Meghdut.
Yes, Meghdut, yes. So that is the national cloud by NIC, and it is also providing some of the features like digital locker, through which people can get various important document like matriculation certificate and other important document can be stored and retrieved from this cloud.
Okay. What is the use of artificial intelligence in governance?
Okay, sir, with the help of artificial intelligence, suppose we can train the machine in such a way, like based on some previous statistics, accordingly we can train the machine to work in a particular way. Since we are concerned with large amount of data, large amount of statistical data, so according to the previous outputs, it can be trained so that in future similar kind of results can be taken out.
Okay, Shirashi, let me give you feedback. So he's going to ask you everything about NIC. Go to the website. Shirashi, one of my video I'm uploading today that is related to NIC only. Again about the website. So go to the website with copy and pen in your hand and write everything related to that, like blockchain technology, applications of blockchain technology.
Okay, sir.
So cryptocurrency is one of the application, but then positive side, if you see, then in the governance also blockchain technology can be very useful, especially for maintaining transparency. Like electronic voting machines are more criticized by opposition political parties that they are being rigged and they are being tampered with, right? So blockchain technology can be very useful in those kind of domains. So what is the use of blockchain technology for elections and so that particular thing you please revise. Go to the website and write each and everything, like a Digital India initiative of government and all these things. You were having some knowledge but not good knowledge about these, right? What is good governance and how e-governance can make good governance. Good governance is a concept where government is very efficiently doing the things, right? Implementation of the schemes and policies is being done very nicely. I asked you about data science. You say, sir, like census is one of the example of data science. Nowadays we are talking about caste census. So caste census means we know that what is the caste of some community, and then that may be helpful for good delivery of the services, and government can very effectively make the policies for people, right?
Yes, sir.
So that particular thing you need to Shirasi revise. What is the meaning of Shirasi?
So it means that someone who does good for others and who is best. Means it's come from the word Shreyo, means which means good.
Okay. So how your parents were knowing that you are going to do good for the world?
Maybe they expect, always parents expect that their children.
They told you that now see we have made you Shirasi, so you have to be good, right?
I don't know.
Okay, so that is all, Shasi, for this, right? You revise it well. When is your interview?
So 23rd September.
So go for some more mock HRs, right? Revise
Yes.
well in this. Go to the website and copy and pen and write everything there.
Yes.
Right?
Okay,
Okay,
sir, sure.
thank you.
Thank you.